Hello everybody, welcome to yet another video. इसमें we are trying to solve SSTI from PicoCTF. This is from PicoCTF 2025 which I missed. So let's try this out. SSTI itself says कि it would be server side template injection. Description is I made a cool website where I can announce whatever I want. Try it out. Here is the link and here is what it is. So it just says SSTI, and as you can see it says SSTI 1, so this is bound to be very simple, and which it is. So what do you want to announce? And I'll just try with a simple payload, which is just curly braces 7 into 7. So there are different ways to figure it out, so we'll try the most basic one. So if I press OK, as you can see it says 49. Now what could be the other way to figure it out? So here it is. Sorry about this, I've already solved it. But if you see, there is a post request going and this is my payload. If you see, it says Python and then the name of the server. So there is a high possibility that this is Jinja or made over Flask, right? So I'll just send this to repeater and let me again enter my payload. So there are different ways, right? You have to figure out what the server type is, and then based on the server type you have to modify your payload. For example, this could have been Java, wherein you will have to put in a dollar sign in front of it. So there are different ways. So as you can see, this is the API call and we get a 49. Now the best part was that the payload to this was very simple. Here is an article by On Security. I just tried the first one because I tried a bunch of different ones, but this worked. So here it is. I'll just put this out and let's just try this out, right? I know it works. So as you can see, I am root, which is not idle. If I had to put an ls, I can see something called flag and I can cat flag. Let me URL encode it, and here you go. This is the first flag. So thank you guys.